Welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how to elevate your CV for a care assistant or senior carer role? Today, we're diving deep into crafting the perfect professional summary for your CV to give you that edge in your job application. Whether you're fresh out of school or have experience, we've got you covered. Without experience, passion-centric. Passionate and compassionate individual with an innate desire to provide exemplary care. Deeply committed to understanding and catering to the unique needs of each individual. Organized and attentive, I am driven by a genuine empathy for those in need. Eager to bring my unwavering dedication to the role of a care assistant and make a tangible difference. Experience looking after grandparents, with passion. Empathetic caregiver with hands-on experience providing loving care to my grandparents. Possess a profound understanding of personal care needs and the emotional support elderly individuals require. My experience has instilled a deep-seated passion for ensuring the well-being of those under my care. Aspiring to leverage this genuine affection and commitment in a care assistant role. 1 year experience in XYZ care home, with passion. Compassionate care assistant with a year of dedicated service at XYZ care home. Proficient in designing and implementing tailored care plans that address both physical and emotional needs. My time at XYZ has deepened my passion for caregiving, and I am excited to bring my expertise and heartfelt dedication to a new environment. Degree in nursing from home country, with passion. Nursing graduate with comprehensive knowledge of patient care principles and practices. Educated in addressing both immediate and long-term health needs. While my formal training was acquired in my home country, my passion for caregiving knows no borders. Eager to channel this combination of academic prowess and innate compassion into a care assistant role. Senior carer position, nursing degree in home country without experience. Highly educated senior care aspirant with a nursing degree from my home country. Possess robust knowledge of medical care, patient handling, and health best practices. Though new to the professional caregiving landscape, I bring an unparalleled commitment, deep-seated empathy, and the expertise of my academic background to the role of a senior carer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more invaluable career advice. Best of luck in your job hunt.